Helleborus, commonly known as hellebores, are native to Europe and Western Asia. They can be found growing in woodlands, meadows, and rocky areas and regions ranging from the British Isles to the Mediterranean and beyond. Helleborus are also commonly cultivated as garden plants and have been hybridized extensively to produce a wide range of colors and forms. Hellebores Mahogany Snow is a hybrid variety of hellebore that was developed by breeders in the 1990s. It is a cross between Helleborus hybridus and Helleborus niger. Hellebores Mahogany Snow is a perennial plant that produces striking blooms in the late winter and early spring. The flowers are a mix of white and deep maroon and can grow up to 3 inches wide. The foliage is dark green and leathery and can remain on the plant year-round. Hellebores Mahogany Snow prefers partial shade and well-draining soil. It can tolerate a range of temperatures but prefers cooler conditions and may struggle in hot, humid weather. The plant should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. It can benefit from occasional fertilization. It can be planted with a variety of other spring blooming plants such as daffodils, tulips, and crocuses. It can also be used as a border plant in garden or as a container plant on a patio. Hellebores Mahogany Snow is primarily used as a decorative plant due to its attractive blooms and foliage. It is also believed to have medicinal properties and has been used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments such as skin irritations and respiratory problems. However, its medicinal properties have not been well studied and should not be relied upon without consulting a healthcare professional.